Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with the FX Market Insight for Monday, the 16th of September. Now, a little later than usual, just still in New York at the moment. So just have a look at where the markets are at the moment. We've lost all dollar direction here, and there's euros sort of drifting lower, and there's a few weird things happening. So if you haven't actually had a chance to check out the news, there's been some significant attacks on the Saudi Arabian oil fields. We've got a situation where on the open in Asia, there was quite considerable low levels of liquidity, bit of a rush to the safe havens, in particular the yen. Oil rallied about $5 or $6, and that threw dollar CAD lower. So just be aware that there is this extra geopolitical event at the moment. And if you just have a look at the currency pairs, the damage has been a little bit curtailed, I guess. If you have a look here, dollar yen, you can see the gap down on the open, obviously here on dollar CAD also. Euro is the one pair that's sort of come back into a bit of realisation that maybe what the ECB did last week isn't going to pan out. So it's sort of drifting lower, which probably would have thought would have happened a bit earlier than today, but that's where we are. So the other pairs, Aussie, sort of pretty much sideways. Kiwi still just drifting lower, but no real levels around. And you wouldn't even know that anything had happened if you were watching sterling. So this is the main thing. What we're going to do is just try and piece together, what the overall impact is from these events. Now, the US have come out very quickly saying that basically they're blaming it on Iran. This is going to play itself out, but it's a significant event. Obviously, CAD and CAD crosses will be the key pairs impacted. Dollar yen, as I said, has really, and the major currency pairs have really pegged back those gaps. So it's really hard to work out what goes on from here. But coming into Monday trading, you're looking at potential trading opportunities. Whereas we come in towards Tuesday, okay, in Asia, in about 4 to 6 hours, we do have a few events, but just be careful with what is actually going through. Now, at the moment, I would say things have calmed down quite a lot. But we'll have to sort of wait and see how that pans out. If there's going to be any sort of retaliation from the Saudis, which you would expect, it's got to keep control of your risk around these events. But as we go into sort of Tuesday's trading, you get the RBA minutes. Well, that's going to be important, obviously, for the Aussie and Aussie crosses. Manufacturing sales out of Canada are also another number that's really does get dollar CAD moving. But at the moment, I think traders are just sort of slowly feeling it out, trying to work out if this is something that's going to continue or if it just goes away. We'll have to wait and see. All right, guys, that's it from me. Have a good trade day. Have a good week. The updates will come through probably starting again on Wednesday. I'll be in transit, so unless one of the other guys can get onto the screens, it will be updated on Wednesday. All right, have a good trade day. Cheerio.